So welcome to L2N10. L2N10 is add, subtract, multiply, actually what divide by decimals. And so this L10, so it's not far off. So let's look at it first now. So look at the first one. So it should go be what? L2N10. Add, subtract, multiply. To find the decimal. So let's look at how to actually add them first. So if you have 0.7 plus 0.5, so it's just the same thing, like normal addition. So you put 0.7 on top, then 0.5, you add them, 5 plus 7, that gives you 12, you put 2 there. Then you keep your 1, you put decimals there, you keep your 1 there. 0 plus 0 plus the 1 you kept is going to be 1. That's 1.2. So it's very straightforward. It's just similar to the ones you are familiar with. If you have also 0.29 plus 0.77, 0.77, 0.29. So you add them together. This is going to be what's like you 6. You keep the 1 here. It's 10. Then you keep 1 here. The decimal is going to be here 1.06. So that's it, 1.06. So it's the same thing compared to, it's the same thing when you actually want to add ordinary number.
Does it have to be different? Excuse me. Does it have to be greater big number up, like the 77?
It doesn't matter.
Anyhow.
So let's try. Yeah, anyhow, yes. Let's try it. Let's try it with a different number. Those with the same thing, number 2, 0.29, and you have 0.77. Same thing too.
Okay.
6. I'll give you 10. So go give 0 here, go to 1 here. 1. Can you see?
Okay.
So it doesn't matter the order. It depends on yes. It doesn't actually matter the order. Every time actually depends on the numbers you actually adding. So I'm going to give you 1 to 2. Then we'll go to subtract. So we'll give you 2 questions to do.
Okay.
Yes, you can try those ones. So that is fine. So 1.198 and 1.448. So that's what the right answer, other than that. So we move on to the next part. The next part is just to take it away. Take it away too. It's the same thing. It doesn't matter. So if you have like 0.9 minus 0.4, so in this case, the top one, the biggest one has to be on top. So you wouldn't make the mistake. So so it's going to be 0.9 and 0.4. So that gives you 0.5, isn't it? 9 minus 4 is 5, 0 minus 0 is 1. Then you put decimal there. So let's look at the ones that are slightly bigger. If you have 0.342 minus 0.1 199. So put it up, just similar to 0.342, 0.199. So that gives you 12 minus 9. Let's go with 3.
13 minus 9.
So there's going to be, you put, for example, 9 cannot go in 2. So you have to cross 1 out here. You borrow 1 from the 4, you put it here. So you put 12 minus 9. That gives you 3.
Yeah.
Then there's 1 there. You put that 1 there. Because 9 cannot go in 3. So go 13 minus 9. That gives you 4, innit? Then 2 minus 1.
You have to work it out the way you're working it out. Put 1, 2 like that.
It's it's probably much easier for you, except you want to do partition. So 2 minus 1, just similar to how you know how to subtract.
Just get the result is the most important thing.
Yes, so 2 minus 1 is 1. Then that's put decimal here. That's all.
Yeah.
So that's it. Can actually look at that. So make sure that the top one is the bigger number. The second one is what?
Okay, bigger number has to be up at all times.
Yes.
When it's subtraction. When it is subtraction.
Yes, that's when it's subtraction. Then you have to do that. So yeah, I'm going to give you questions on that to do now. Okay. And just see how well you can actually go with it. Oh, it's going to be 2 questions too. So I'm going to give you 3 questions. The last one is going to be like a challenge question for you. So 0.498 minus 0.199 to 0.321 minus 0.188. The last one, 0.4 minus 0.299. Yes. So thank you for that early listing. So earlier the better. So what's the first answer, please?
Okay, the first answer I got is 0.299.
Yes, that's correct. 0.299 is fine. So yes.
The second question, I got 0.233.
0. Point what?
0.233.
Can you double check that one?
Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, sorry about that. I made a miscalculated it. 0. For the second question, 0.133.
Yes, correct.
Good. Then the last one, being a new question, really challenging, but I think I try to maneuver it to the best of my ability. I got 0.889.
Okay, that one is actually what's wrong. I gave it to you as a challenge to see.
Yeah, the challenging,
maybe, maybe you can show us what it's at. But okay, I'm going to do it now. Right. When you see ordinary 1 decimal here, and this one is 3 decimals, you have to try and match them up. You will add what? Extra zeros there.
Okay.
So it's now going to be 0.400, 0.299.
Yeah.
So from there, that gives you, just take it away. This one is 3. You put 1 here. This one is 9. So 9 minus 9, that's 10 minus 9. That gives you 1 here.
1. Okay.
9 minus 9 gives you 0. 3 minus 2 gives you 1. 0 minus 0 gives you, that's the answer.
Okay, so the 0 point now became the bigger number now.
Yes.
Compared to what I worked out.
Yeah, it's like 400 and 299.
400. Yeah. I understand it now.
Yes.
Okay, one.
So you can just give you those ones to try.
Okay.
You can do it to copy them, or I should just clear it. Do you want to copy it down, or I should clear it?
Yeah. I've copied it. I've corrected it. I got it wrong, and I've corrected it. Correct.
Okay.
Yeah. Correct.
All right.
Correct answer.
Okay. So let me give you this. So 0.71 minus 0.399. 0.6 minus 0.432. 0.6 1 minus 0.299. This works now. Yeah. So
right. Okay. The first, I'll continue like number 4 question. The answer I got is 0.491.
0.491, okay.
Correct?
0.491. Did you add so let's just double check. You got 0.419 or 419 419.
No, I'm coming. 0, yeah, 0. Now this is 6. Okay. 0.391.
391.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's double check that and let's see. So when you say that this one is 2 decimal, this one is 3 decimal, make it like this. And 0.399. Take it away.
Yeah.
So this one comes to this like this, that gives you 1.
1, yeah.
Then there's going to be 0 here. Just have to move this one here too. That gives you 9 minus 10 minus 9, 1. Because you cannot take 9 away from 0. So there's going to be.
So you borrowed 1 again.
Yeah, 1. So
but we did not borrow 1. The first one we did.
It depends on the situation. You can't just take away. You can't take away the big number from the small number. So if you see yourself in a situation like that, you have to borrow.
Because it was 0 that was behind the 7. So you now borrow to making 9. Okay.
So that's why it was 0.311.
All right. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So the second one, what do you get for the second one?
The second one, if that should be the case now, right? So
you want to have a go again? Okay.
Yeah. I want to have a go again. Just give me a minute.
To do when you actually want to multiply it. So if you have, let me just give you some takeaway to do, just to, so I can be confident fully. Then I will now go to multiplication.
All right.
So
we're still on subtraction.
Yes, subtraction. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, try this one now.
Okay.
We don't have enough time. So it's just multiply. When you say 0.4 times 0.5. So you know that you can write 0.4 to be like 4/10. This one is what, 5/10, yeah. Because it's like 4 tenths. It's only 1 decimal, 4 tenths, 5 tenths. What is 4 times 5? 20. 10 times 10 is 100. So just go with 0.2 as the answer. But this one just comes as in the calculator once. So that's the reason why you don't have to really bother yourself much about it. So so you can just
do it on calculator. What did you just say?
Use this type of one on calculator. But the other one I taught you, it normally comes out non-calculator.
Okay, the subtraction, the addition, you have to work them out.
Yeah, so can you just try this one with use a calculator for that?
I don't know how to use it on calculator. I will just do it manually.
Okay.
Because I don't know how to do this type of math on the calculator.
Okay, so if you have a 0.5 times 0.3. So I'm just going to do one for you again. This was 0.5 because it's one decimal. It's going to be what? This is a decimal point. This one is one decimal point. I told you about that one last week or 2 weeks ago. Decimal point. So because it's one decimal point, it's going to go what? 5/10. 3/10. If it's like 2 decimal points, it's going to be over 100. 3 decimal points, it's going to be over 1,000. That's it.
Okay, so this is 15
so
over
gives you,
100.
So it gives you what? That gives you what? 15 over 100. That gives you 0.15.
Okay.
So this one is 0.
But you said if it is
if it's what?
If it is 100.
If it's like something like this, like a 2-1.
Yeah,
that's it's gonna be 21 over 100 because it's
okay, it's going to be 21 over 100. Okay.
This one is times 4 times 3.
If it is like 0.21.
That gives you 63 over 100. That gives 0.63. So like that. So just try this one for me. 0.12 times 0.4. Try that last one.
Okay.
0.48. But because you will be able to YouTube. So that is that for the class today. So
should I try I've tried the last one. Yeah, okay, I've done it.
You've done that last one, 0.4. And that's perfect, that's correct. So just practice more, take it more. The questions like this are actually what on Moodle. You can just use log. So yes, so that's so all right.
But can I ask a question before you go?
Like
the 12 over 100 times 4 over 10, right? Is okay like that. The 100 should always be bigger than 10, obviously.
Yeah. So this one is going to be 100 is going to be bigger than this one, but this one is going to be yes, it's going to be bigger than that. So just this one, it's going to be extra 0 here. But okay, let me just give you one to try. Try this one, 4 over 10 times 3 over 10. So as the last one. So I can just see if we can do one decimal.
4 over 10 times 3 over 10. Okay. So it's going to be 12 over 100, and it will give us 0.12. I got 0.12.
Yeah, that's it. All right, that's fine.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye. Have a great week.
Bye. Thank you.